Hello everyone and welcome back, and in today's video I am going to be doing a review on Duraflame Firestarter. Now this particular fire starter, you can use it indoors. For example, you could use it in your fireplace or your wood stove, or you can actually use it outside at a campfire or in your fire pit. This is a fire starter that is good for quick fires, long lasting. It lasts about 30 minutes. Particularly, you don't have to use kindling wood. You could just set some logs up, and let's get right into the video. So, according to the instructions, you're actually going to leave this plastic cover on. You're going to lay this against a log, and then you're gonna light it at these two checkpoints. Now, this lasts about, I want to say, 15 to 20 minutes burning. And yeah, you can, like I said, you can use it in a campfire or your romantic outing in a pit fire, also in a fireplace. And yeah, so very good fire starter, very good quality. You don't have to waste any time cutting the kindling wood, and yeah, pretty simple to use. Piece of log there. This saves us a lot of time. And normally we cut a lot of kindling wood. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to lay this part. We're going to turn it around. It should light at the bottom. Okay, that's Now the instruction says that you're supposed to put a log a half an inch in front of it, but I actually like to be a rebellious and put it on the side of it, and I'm going to show you why. So as you can see, our Duraflame Firestart is actually working. So I'm going to go ahead and put another piece of log on the cross of it and the side of it, because it just catches flames a little better. All right, we're going to go ahead and let that burn for a few minutes. In the back of it, what I did with the log that's sitting all in the back, I tilted a little forward because the flames were just going upwards. So for good practice measure, just tilt it a little forward, that is leaning on the fire start. So as you can see, our fire log is still burning. This is a very good product, as I mentioned earlier. So this is good if you want to make a fire on the go for your fire pit, outdoor campfire, or your fireplace. So I highly recommend it. It's worth your investment, and thank you for watching the video.